guys! Welcome back to my channel again. So I'm so excited na ipakita sa inyo yung aking grocery haul sa Walgreens. So first time ko itong maipakita sa inyo, and then first time ko din maipakita sa inyo kung paano ako mag-coupon sa Walgreens. Okay? So isa na dito guys, yan yung sinasabi nila na buy deals at saka yung spend deals. So pag buy deal yung pinag-uusapan is allowed kang gumamit ng register reward at saka points. Pag spend deal, allowed ka pa rin gumamit ng register reward at saka hindi ka allowed gumamit ng points. Yan yung kadalasan na nakikita natin sa mga vlogger. Na pag spend deal, hindi ka pwedeng gumamit ng points kasi pag gumamit ka ng points, is hindi mo makukuha yung points. For example, yung points is spend 25 or more and get back 5,000 points, or spend $30 or more is get back 7,000 points, is hindi mo daw makukuha isa sa ng points. Okay, kahit pa may spend deal siya, gumagamit pa din ako ng points, and din nakukuha ko pa din yung aking points. Okay. So, paano ko siya ginawa? So, kung interesado kayo is please keep on watching on my video. And then, kung may mga katanungan kayo is just comment down below and then sasagutin ko siya guys. At kung mayroon naman kayong ma-share sa akin is i-share nyo lang, okay? Parang sharing lang tayo dito. And that's it guys. Ipapakita ko na sa inyo yung ating mga napamili. Okay? So, yung ginamit ko pala ditong spend deal is yung sa PNG guys na spend 25 or more, get back 5,000 points. Ito naman, digital coupon siya guys, na spend 20, get back 5,000 points. Okay? So, pag digital coupon, yung perks ba yung tawag no nila? Yung booster guys, yung spend 20, get back 5,000 points is pwede kang gumamit ng points. Pero kapag paper coupon siya guys, yung paper, yung lumalabas sa machine na nakalagay doon, spend 20 and get back 5,000 points, hindi ka paaaring mag-redeem ng points kasi hindi mo siya makukuha guys. Yan yung pinagkaiba kapag digital siya and then pag paper siya. Okay? Pero pag halimbawa ganito, paper coupon, meron kang paper coupon na spend 20, get back 5,000 points. At saka naman, meron kang digital coupon na spend 20 or 25 and get back 5,000 points. Pwede mo siyang ma-stack. Okay? So, makukuha mo yung dalawang 5,000. So, yung total niya is 10,000 points. Pero nga, kasi nga, digital at saka paper. So, instead na gumamit tayo ng points, sabi ko kasi pag spend deal, gumagamit ako ng points. Pero kapag ganyan yung sitwasyon, huwag kang gumamit ng points kasi hindi mo makukuha yung points. Okay? Kapag may paper ka na ganoon, paper booster coupon, kapag may ganoon kang sistema, huwag mo siyang i-combine para huwag kang magbayad ng points kapag ganoon yung strategy kasi hindi mo makukuha yung points. So, that's it guys. So, ipapaking first transaction, dalawang stock toys na tig $1.79. So, yung total ng dalawa is $3.58. And then, yung ating namang dalawang Revlon na $10.98 yung total ng dalawa. Kapag bumili ka ng dalawa is bibigyan kanila ng 5 register reward. So, walang coupon nito guys. So, kung wala tayong coupon ng kiss bumps nila. Okay? So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aking breakdown. So, yan siya guys. So, wag lang natin itong basahin. Okay? Wala yan. Out yan. So, first transaction, Revlon kiss bump. So, dalawa. And then, yung price is $4.99 plus $5.99. Magkaiba yung price niya guys kasi isa na lang yung natira ng tig $4.99. So, kinuha ko na lang tong $5.99. So, equals is $10.98. Pero, pipigyan tayo nila ng $5 register reward. Yan yung, sa ano yan siya, katalina siya guys. So, yung bagong total na lang natin sa dalawa is $5.98 or $2.99 each. Yung dalawa kiss bomb natin. Okay? And then, ito na yung ating pangalawa na yung stock toys na nga na sinasabi ko. Yung original price niya actually is $5.99. So, naging $1.79 na lang siya times 2. $3.58. Yan siya. So, hindi ako gumamit ng coupon dito guys sa ating Revlon kasi walang coupon nito. Okay? So, yung ating subtotal is $14.56 plus tax. So, nag-redeem ako ng 10 points. Okay? So, 10 points, I mean 10,000 points. So, equivalent yun sa $10. So, yung babayaran na lang natin is $4.56 plus tax. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung aking opening balance. Ito yung aking opening balance ha. $37.460 points. Then, after kong mag-redeem ng 10,000 points, is ito na lang yung natira kong balance, 27,500 points. Okay? So, ipapakita ko naman sa iyo yung ating resibo para mas maliwanagan pa kayo. Ating opening balance. Yan yung aking balance, guys. Okay, so 37,460. So, yung ating everyday points is 40 points. So, nag-redeem ako ng 10,000 points. So, yung akin na lang closing balance is 27,500. So, ito na lang yung natira kong points. Okay, so ito na yung ating resibo, guys. Okay? So, yan. Iyan yung ating dalawang stock toys. So, yung total niya is $3.58 para sa dalawa. And then, yung ating dalawang Revlon na sinabi ko nga sa inyo, hindi pareho yung price niya. So, $4.99 at saka $5.99. So, yung ating subtotal is $14.56. And then, yung tax is $1.16. So, total natin lahat is $15.72. Next is yung ating points. Nag-redeem ako ng 10,000 points. Equivalent yun sa $10. So, kaya naging $5.72 na lang yung ating binayaran sa ating mga pinamili. Okay? Instead na yan yung ating second transaction. So, yung item ko is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items. So, yung aking out of pocket dito guys is $21.10 with tax na yon. Okay? And then, ang deal dito is spend 25 or more and get back 5,000 points. Spend lang siya. And then, meron pa akong coupon na spend 20, get back 5,000 points. Okay guys? Sabi ng iba, most of the vlogger sa YouTube is, sabi nila, hindi ka maaaring mag-redeem ng points kapag yung deal is spend. Pero pwede kang mag-redeem ng points kapag ang deal is buy. Okay? Pero sa sitwasyon ko is, nag-redeem ako ng 20,000 points. And then, bumalik sa akin pa din yung points na inaasahan ko. For example, this one, 5,000 points. Spend deal siya. At saka yung isa ko pang, coupon, yung booster. Booster pala siya guys na spend 20. Digital siya guys, digital booster na spend 20, get back 5,000 points. Okay? And then dito, ito siya, expected ko na makukuha ko siya kasi buy deal siya. Buy deal. So, okay lang gumamit ng points at saka register reward, okay? Okay? Ito na yung ating kodigo. So, second transaction, ito yung ating gold band. Yan. May, so, pasensya guys. So, yan, ito siya. Dalawa. So, yung promotion niya is buy one, get one 50% off. And then, get back
2,000 points. Buy siya guys, buy. So, yung price niya is $4.79 plus $2.39. Ito yung 50% off ng ating isang powder. So, naging $7.18. And then, gumamit ako ng coupon. Dalawang coupon na $1 off 1. So, $2 minus is $5.18. And then, get back points. Okay, $2, 2,000 points. So, yung atin na lang bagong total, nagtataka kayo saan ko nakuha itong $3.18. Kasi guys, remember, $5.18 minus $2, equivalent ng 2,000 points is $2. So, kaya naging $3.18 para sa dalawang powder or $1.59 each na lang. Next is sa atin tayong Colgate. Promotion nila is buy 2, get back 5,000 points. Okay, so yung price ng Colgate is $3.89 plus, times 2, $7.98. Nakakalito na pala itong mga number. Oy, may 1,000, may points. Ako. Then, gumamit ako ng paper coupon, $2. Dalawa. So, $1 off 1. Okay, so $2 minus siya. So, $5.98. And get back 5,000 points. So, yung bagong total, i-minus natin to siya. Yung $5 sa $5.98. So, yung total na natin is 98 cents or 49 cents each para sa dalawang toothpaste. For more, get back 5,000 points. So, yung price is 2 for $18 or 9 each. So, 18 times 2 equals 36. And then, gumamit ako ng dalawang coupon na $3 off 2. So, 6 yung total. So, minus. Naging 30 na lang. And then, get back 5,000 points. Then, yung ating bagong total, after natin isubtract yung $5 or 5,000 points sa 30 is 25 para sa 4 na diaper or $6.25. Okay, and then yung ating pang-last, ito yung Hershey's na 79 cents. Okay, ating second transaction, $36.95 plus tax. So, itong $36 guys, minus ko na yung ating coupon dito. Okay, nag-redeem ako ng 20,000 points, equivalent to $20. So, ito na lang yung ating babayaran, $16.95 plus tax. Then, yung total ng ating coupon is 15. Okay? $15. Yung coupon guys, sa Walmart, sa Walgreens, consider siya na cash. Okay? Consider siya na cash. Kaya, ito yung aking, technique, kumbaga, kasi consider siya na cash. Kaya ako, kaya ako gumamit ng 20,000 points para mas ma-less yung aking babayaran. Siguro kung mayroon lang akong dalawa pang register reward, mas less pa yung babayaran ko dito. Okay? Kaso isa lang yung register reward ko, kaya malaki yung ating out of pocket. But it's okay lang. Sa ating powder, dalawang powder. Okay? Hershey. Colgate na dalawa. Dito mo siya guys makikita. 239. So yung total 798. Pasensya na. Dalawang Pampers. Iba yung size. So dalawa. And then ito naman is dalawa. So 4. And then ito yung ating coupon. Okay? Dalawang $1 para sa ating Colgate. Dalawang $3 para sa ating Pampers. And then dalawang $1 para sa ating Gold Bond medication powder. Din yung $5 is ito yung ating nakuha sa ating first transaction sa ating Revlon. Hindi ko na maipakita guys kasi wala, nagamit ko na. Okay, ayaw na mag-focus. Focus. Ayan. Okay, so yung total natin dito is $15. And then, $15 yung total ng ating coupon. And then, ito yun na nga, yung ating subtotal. $36.95. Then sa tax, yung tax medyo malaki. Okay, yan. And then, ito naman yung ating, pasensya guys, ang daming, okay, sorry. Okay. So, yung ating total na pinagsama ng subtotal plus tax is $41.10. Supposed to be, ito, sana yung aking babayaran. Sabi nga ng iba, pag spend deal is wag kang gumamit ng points. Kasi pag gumamit ka ng points is hindi mo makukuha yung points. In my case is gumamit ako ng points na 20,000 points, equivalent yun sa $20. So, yung aking out of pocket is $21.10. Okay? Pero, kahit na gumamit ako ng points, is nakuha ko pa din yung mga points na ini-expect ko. So, paano ko ba siya ginawa, guys? Guys, as I say, itong ating manufacturer coupon, RR, ano pa ba? Consider siya na cash. So, $15 and then nag-redeem ako. Consider siya na cash, so $15 na siya. And then, yung ating pang binay na $21. So, na-qualified ako doon sa ating sa promotion. So, guys, yan. Yan yung ating opening balance na 20,500. So, yan yung balance ko na lang na natira. Kasi nga, ginamit ko siya from 37,000, naging 27,000 na lang. 27,500. And, nag-redeem tayo ng 20,000 points. Okay, nag-redeem tayo. And then, there you go, guys. Nakuha ko pa din yung 17,000 points na ini-expect ko. Kahit nag-redeem tayo ng points. Okay? Ang goal ko dito is ma-less yung ating babayaran. Okay? So, kahit nag-redeem ako, is binigyan nila tayo ng 17,000 points. And then, ito yung ating bagong total. 24,810. Okay? So, ito na yung ating total OOP para sa dalawang transaction. $5.72. Sa ating una to siya, guys. Nag-redeem ako dito ng 10,000 points. Supposed to be $15. Sana yung babayaran natin. Pero nag-redeem tayo ng 10,000 points kaya $5.72. Sa atin ng pangalawa, supposed to be magbabayad ako ng 41 cents. Especially na dito sa ating second transaction. Kasi spend deal. Pinagsama ko yung spend deal. At saka yung promotion nga ng PNG na spend 25 or more, get back 5,000 points. Pero gumamit ako ng 20,000 points. Kaya naging $21.10 na lang yung aking binayaran. So yung total nito is $26.82. So ito lang yung ating out of pocket or ito lang yung ating nabayad para sa 13 items. Yan guys yung ating points. So bago ako gumala sa Walgreens, ito yung aking points. 37,000 points. $37 and 460,000 points. And then, after ko nang gumala, after ko nang mag-grocery, ito na lang yung natira. 24,810. Okay, imagine dito guys palang sa 37,460. Remember, nag-redeem ako ng 30,000 points. Oh my God, 30,000 points. Imagine sa aking first, okay, sa aking first transaction and sa aking second transaction, gumamit ako ng 10,000 points, 20,000 points. So, equivalent yun sa 30,000. Pero bakit naging 24? But still, $20,810 points pa din yung aking So, i-minus natin to. So, parang lumalabas na 12,660 lang yung nabawas sa aking points. Kasi guys, sa ating last transaction is kinuha ko yung mga items na alam kong makukuha ko yung points. Kahit na spend deal. Guys, okay lang yung spend deal na gumamit ng points. As long as alam mo yung alam mo yung pasikot-sikot. Okay? Madugong bakbakan talaga dito sa mathematics. Kaya, yan. Kung interesado ka pa guys sa about couponing sa Walgreens, is keep on watching lang sa video ko and please subscribe para sa next nating video. So that's it guys for $26.82.